Hello everyone, back and again with the one and only Dyan'van ripping go kwake. It's a different day, a different video, and we're getting straight into it. It's one of my favorite artists currently, Tony Dayimane, the diamond in the rough, the gem. Fakumfuto, Dayimane, Fakumfuto. We're reacting to a song called Wishlist, featuring Kwesta, Usimamane, Yanga Chief. These are the Avengers. Yanga Chief. It's on that Red October album he recently dropped. His first album, man, sophomore. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's react to your wish list. So yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Go.
That sound at the start. Dun, 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 dun. It's very confusing. I don't even know what instrument that is, but I don't know, maybe it's loud. Yeah, I put it on loud. It's just like confusing me, like dun, dun. I'm like, what?
Yeah. 10 min. Let's be beating Velling ship league. Like, my mom called over league. Like, catching bodies got a hit list. Like, I am any business. Mini go sigla.
Guys, I can't emphasize this enough. How essential a drop is when you enter a song. That Sheep League. He slid is like she slid in at Sheep League. Eh?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. 10 min. Let's be beating Velling ship league. Like, my mom called over league. Like, catching bodies got a hit list. Like,
a drop captivates you. Even if you are not gonna listen, all of a sudden you're like, ooh, that's nasty work. Let me lend an ear.
I am in the business. Mini go sigla my zim. Girlie has me on a wish list. Rapping got me getting big bills. Need some big girls and a big crib. Balance a shot my pic mix. That's the pictures.
Your girl has me on her wish list.
6 miss. Tony got my shit is big. Like, I lost my girls, bitch. Superstar goes a big thing. Chelu coca telling no my in me. Like, ain't no lie, cause they feel me. Never was, nigga, I'm a ghosty. Toti. Big name like Petrosi.
Okay.
Nigga shout Georgie. Boys and shout Cody. Tripping body at the Bozy and the.
Hey, Yakupuk. He started off at the bar, like the drop went hard. And then, as he was rapping, I could feel it. But I feel like he's going up. He's Yakupuk, umfana.
Finger Kimali then and Koni. Finally made into an unbonging coast. And Tinage continues put it on.
Hey, smoke a nigga like you Siggy made the.
Usimamane. Can't believe it.
Zulu nigga shout Georgie. Boys
Zulu
and
nigga shout
shout
George.
Chubby body at the Bozy. And the finger Kimali then and Koni. Finally made into an unbonging coast. And Tinage continues put it on.
Hey, smoke a nigga like you Siggy made it. Can't believe it. Big boy in the streets. I don't need beef. Fake hype, really free G. Touch Tony Velu Tolo BT.
I don't need beef. There was a conspiracy. I don't know if it's a conspiracy, if it's fact, that Usimamane and Blackie are having a beef. I don't know. But I don't think it's having a beef. I don't think so. I just think just because they sound alike, people, you know, fans, you know us, we like beef. But it's not for that. Usimamane is no fridge. He's making so much money. If it's when closer people say, if it's Christmas then. It's Christmas then.
Ain't nobody playing with my beanie. Young niggas and we run the city.
Okay.
Got two bitch on blue tiki. Got Drake on my new sneaks.
Okay.
Niggas talking crazy since I hit a lick and all I be hearing is gift. Tap on the tip for a quick trip. $20 really spilling big.
Okay.
On a Lambo, up on Swiggy Pig. Balenci boy dick with a sheen. Might fuck around and cop a new Celine.
Yeah, they know on that shit that I be on.
Okay.
I'm beyond, out of this world, and glean that you Elon.
I'm out of this world. Elon Musk. You know, Elon Musk going to Mars. He's all about the going to Mars thing. What is that thing? The spaceship? I don't know, but fuck that thing. But yeah, he's out of this world. Elon is trying to create civilization into space, like in Mars. So he's already out there, Kwesta. Elon. Bro, I've been here. Brother.
Gay meaning figure ilo. Ngezwa sekhala maqilo. They killed everything they put me on. Ansa rapping their POs. This isn't that.
Ansa rapping their POs. I'm not even rapping anymore. I'm celebrating, brother. I've done too much for this game. I'm just throwing flowers, bro. Just throwing flowers. Giving you gems. I've done so much. Last time I heard Kwesta rap this hard was on Reporting Live from Katle Home featuring Youngster CPT.
Gay meaning figure ilo. Ngezwa sekhala maqilo. They killed everything they put me on. Ansa rapping their POs. This isn't them. Jwala my party, this isn't them. Got I spent my first paycheck in DBN. Me civilian, ngihamba ngebus, no mask, there's no ras. Peli minyaga still up in the cut. King Boogie Dayimane grind out of the rough. In Denko, I pull up on it at the Lenko.
Ubugele Dayimane come out of the rough. Tony Dayimane out of the rough. This kid, Tony Dayimane, is currently new to the industry, to the mainstream. So he's coming out the rough. He still needs some polishing. Uti ndimgadile. Dibugele Dayimane coming out the rough.
Don't make a sound when I make moves. Man, I'm great news. Stylish. I hit a lick and don't buy shit. Cause I just really came from the bottom. You buying dick, that's fun, bitch. Bugger Juju was my pop squad. I was at my cousin Jungle Top Top. Come kupuka my socks so I miss a movie to bull up a bonza. Many men on top of things. I'm just second legged when I'm pimping. Fuck it, pele in the kitchen. When I pull up on them, but it's him.
Fuck pele when I'm in the kitchen. Unpacker, you know it's about to be fire. Fuck pele.
Since I'm done in the confidence, showing enough of a consequence. Jiggy got a little I got another city trying to give me compliments. All my niggas but the Tulu girl, I'm the type of nigga trying to cool back. Cause I pay for my nungulu kusel. Cause I'm minded and I'm cooler than them. This shit remind me of THT. I was shooting my shot on the DVD. It's another reminder of TBT. We was hooked on the Nandos and Smeary Meal. I just went from
This is a type of song we didn't deserve, but we got because we didn't expect. This is a type of song that's not on your wish list. This is when Santa Claus over delivers. You wrote him that you want a bicycle, you want a BMX, and then he comes there with the fucking Honda motorbike. He over delivers. This is what Tony did with these people. They over deliver. I'm overwhelmed. I'm not even catching most of it. If there's stuff that I'm missing, please let me know. I'm overwhelmed.
Never thought I could get it,
but I'm vibing. My homies are ready to die, man. Die for him. His homies are ready to lay their lives on the line for him. Dayimane, Tony Dayimane. You missed that. Oh, sound like those Chinese instruments. Okay, well, my brain just literally sent me to Kung Fu Hustle, the movie. For like dan. There's an instrument that they play on there. I fucking forgot that. But yeah, that was Tony Dayimane and Kwesta, Usimamane, Yanga Chief, Wishlist, the wishy. They over deliver. I probably missed a lot of it. But man, I fucking enjoyed it. I enjoyed listening. I enjoyed vibing to it. The bars, I still need to listen to it a couple of times so I can catch some of those bars. But yeah, hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what I missed. Yes, sir. Dyan'van Ribik ngokwakhe. See you next time.